Yes, today next assignment. So I'm explaining next assignment. This is about text animation. So text animation already in one class I explained you, but you can animate text differently. Okay. Different ways we use the text. Okay, different ways. So it's purely depends on you. Purely depends on you. So how you want actually your animation, you can decide with the text and you can animate. Okay. So here, so I'm giving one text. Suppose take one layer, new layer. Here I'm typing suppose animation. Change this color, yes, and make it bit bigger. This is okay. This is one complete full the word animation. So here what I'm doing, simply you can right click and make it break apart, or otherwise simply you can apply click on Control B, so that what will happen, just you can observe here, your text convert into break apart. So that means what, the previously it is complete one word. Okay, if you apply the break apart, your text is divided, each letter separated from one group, one word. Okay, so this is nice. Next, what we have to do, select all. Okay, so that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 letters, and right click on that, simply right click on that, and here distribute to layers and distribute to keyframes. So the difference is, when you click on the distribute layers, the each letter separately spread into layers. So that means in 9 layers this entire the word can distribute. Suppose distribute to layers, I click on distribute layers. So now see all the the letters distribute into layers. Make it Control Z. Suppose here right click and one more option is there, distribute to keyframes. So that means what, so all the text, okay, distributed side by side. This is one A and this is N I. See, these are on the onion skin, then you will understand it. These are completely one by one. Okay, so now what we do, Control Z and again Control Z. Yes, right click on that, instead of distribute to keyframes, distribute to layers. See, each letter distributed on their on their names. Now this is become empty. You can remove this, click on the dustbin and see this is N, and suppose start with A and this is A. Okay, lock all, lock them all, Now what we are planning, select the first to A, okay, and can remaining visibility you can off that and select this, and here what you do, at 5 frames here insert keyframe, okay, insert keyframe, then here what you do, between this and this can give create classic twin. So here automatically it is asking to convert into symbol, so say okay, okay, it is convert into a symbol. The two text, two letters at the same place, so for that instead of that what we do, this you can move by left arrow, something like or otherwise other side back also, okay. So that means for this text A, from there to here it is coming. For here what you do, after selecting this, okay, select this A, and from the properties, from the color effect, okay, and give alpha that to 0. Now if you check this, from 0 to, from vanish to, from disappear to, it is appearing, okay. Yes, now you log this, and on the N, suppose this should start after A, suppose up to 5 frames your A is there, now at 6th frame, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5, at 5 frames, suppose this is 1 2 3 4 5 frames, but here 1 2 3 4 5, at this right click and insert keyframe, okay, 6 7 8 9 10 here. Okay, now here also you can apply create classic twin, okay, and again asking for converting into symbol, say okay, okay. Then what you do, at the first frame move this back, okay, move this back, and here you can apply the color effect alpha. See, if you observe this, see, but here when you starting at N, your this frame also should continue, this will be should not disappear. So see, perfect. And now you can log this and do the same for the next letter. So drag this just after N, and here 1 2 3 4 and 5, insert keyframe here, and again between these two you can create classic twin, so, and again convert into symbol, okay, and these two first you can extend, insert keyframe, and come here, and here move this up to here, and you can apply the color effect. Okay, see, right, and then lock this and unlock M and drag this after I and count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the keyframe. Yes, between this and this, select between these two keyframes and right click and create classic twin. Okay, and convert into symbol. After that, so these frames, the below frames, already finished frames, you can extend up to here. Okay, then come to here and you can move this back, and now select this M and from the properties give alpha value 0. So the letters one by one, it is from disappearing to appearing. Okay, and now do this, move this up to here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set keyframe. Now between these two, right click and create classic twin and say OK for symboling, and now extend this up to here. This you can select by and insert keyframe and come to this A, and by pressing left arrow you move this here. Okay, right, and click on that, and from color effect say alpha value 0, and see this. Perfect. Right, and then lock this and do this same for other letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert keyframe, and between these two create classic twin, save OK. Okay, now extend these frames up to here, insert frame and click here and give left arrow and select that, and from color effects give alpha. Okay, yes, interesting. Now lock this unlock for other text, and you can drag this next to the before letter, and here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right click and insert keyframe between these two, create classic twin, save OK, and click here, and before that we can extend this. Okay, and come here and select this, and by pressing left arrow, okay, move that and select this, and from color effects and give alpha 0. Perfect. Okay, now lock this and unlock this and drag this next to the before letter. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right click and insert keyframe, and between these two create classic twin. Okay, so the below frames you can extend, insert a keyframe, and you select here and press on left arrow, so that will be move back, okay, and select this and from color effect click on alpha. This is nice, good. Then open the other text. This is the last one. Move this here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right click and insert keyframe between these two. Create classic twin, converting into symbol, and you can extend these frames up to here. Sorry, here to here. Insert and click here and move back by pressing left arrow, and select this, and from color effect make alpha. Okay, right. So these frames, suppose if you click Control Enter, then you can observe what is happening actually. See, nicely there, one by one it is appearing to disappearing and forming in a order. But if you observe here, after looping continuously without breaking continuously, it is forming as a that word. Okay, to stop that without breaking this loop animation, not looking good. For that, what you do, these frames you can extend up to here, suppose here. Yeah, up to, okay, extended. Control S and Control Enter. Now see, yeah, now it is bit delaying. After animation, the text is displaying for 1 second. See, animation, and it is forming. But here I want to move the each letter with particular the speed. So what I do, select this first one here, okay, and the easing value suppose the easing value, observe here, equally it's moving, okay, with the equal speed they're moving. Instead of that, what I'll do, suppose make it -100, okay, suppose here, so this can be I'll check with the 100. Yes, fast to slow it is settling. So coming with fast and slowly it is settling. Okay, so this is slow in, coming from outside with the fast and settling into slowly. Alright, so we apply the same value 100 for each one. Okay, right, come here, not required this onion skin now. Select this, this is for N, so give 100 here, or otherwise manually also you can type the number, right? And on this one and give the number 100. Instead of equal speed, we are giving slow in. Give 100 value. Alright, so do the same for everything. Right. Okay, O N, where is N? Yeah, this is N here. Now control S, and by pressing control enter you will observe this. Yes, that now the text is more active. Nicely, one by one it is coming into and forming as a one word animation. Yes. Now again, here what we do, here we apply clockwise rotations. Here rotations I use three times, so that it is I applied for this. Yes. So we are giving rotation animation also. For each letter can rotate and come into that and settle. Okay, so this is, now we check this how it will. Yes. See, this is text rolling 3 times, 3 steps, and it is settling into, forming into a word. Okay, this is the text animation. Differently also we can use this. so control S, and now you can select all these up to here by pressing shift. Okay, right click and cut frames. Okay, and from insert new symbol, instead of graphic make it movie clip. Okay, here animation, I'm giving name movie clip, and here right click and paste frames. Okay, I paste all the frames, and now come from the symbol editing mode. So there is a arrow mark here. You observe here, just click on that. Now you cut all the frames. Okay, so these you can delete now because you already cut that frames. Delete, and now here you can create one layer here. Okay, and from library check the animation movie clip symbol and drag that here, and you can select here and place here, and now you can check. Yeah, this is your animation text, but you can move this bit back here. Now control enter, it must be in center. Yeah, more bit back. Yes, yes, control enter, must be here up to here. Yes, this is in center now. Okay, now what we do here from filters, here you have a filters. From the properties you have a filters. From that you can give some the glowness to the text. So the text is in red color, so in opposite like a blue. Okay, so we give the glowness, give the value something like 30. Instead of here low, make it high. Control S. Now you can observe this. Yes, see this along with the glow, it is adding. So stage color, instead of white I am giving a black. Now we'll check that. Yes, okay. So this is text animation, and depends on idea, you can create how you want. Actually, some text you can come from outside and settle, and one text from zoom in, zoom out, and another text you can make it zoom out to zoom in. So small to bigger, bigger to smaller. So it can be anyway you can animate. Okay, so suppose when you animate anything, depends on the concept, then only we decide actually how you want. Okay, you try this and you can practice this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.